This lesson shows how to make a journal entry to decrease the value of an other current assets account by using the example from the last lesson of the prepaid rent other current assets account into which 5 months' worth of prepaid rent was placed. As you later incur your monthly rent expense of $1,000 per month over the next 5 months, you will use up part of the other current assets account named prepaid rent and enter each change to the value of that account into the journal entry window. So, for each of the following 5 months, decrease the amount of the monthly rent from the prepaid rent other current assets account in the period it is actually incurred and attribute that amount to the building and property rent expense account. To create a journal entry in QuickBooks Online to do this, hover over the Create button in the navigation bar, and then click the Journal Entry link under the Other heading in the menu that appears to open the Journal Entry window. In this window, enter the date of the entry into the Journal Date field. Optionally, enter a reference number for the entry into the Journal Number field if needed. Then, click into the first row under the Account column and select the Building and Property Rent Expense account. Enter 1,000 into the adjacent Debits column in that row to show the increase to the rent expense account. Then, click into the Account column in the next blank row and select the Prepaid Rent Other Current Assets account. QuickBooks should automatically attribute 1,000 to its Credits column, decreasing its value. If not, click into the Credits column and enter 1,000. If desired, you can make this a monthly recurring journal entry for the next 4 months. After making the entry, click the Save and Close button in the lower right corner of the window to save your work and close the window. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.